This is Hyundai door lock. We'll get key biddings from this lock. And now we have to remove the wafer and check if there is any numbers on the wafer. Ding, ding. Let's find the corresponding position for each locking wafer. Group A is up. Group B is down. We already found every corresponding position. And now we have to get key biddings from these lock wafers. We'll watch them. The key biddings of Group A: 4212 to 3. Group B: 11 to 342. We already got all the key biddings. Here we use to M to Tank CNC key cutting machine to get a new key. At first, connect the machine by Bluetooth. After connection, we enter cut by bidding. Here we search Hyn22. Enter this Hyn22 option. Click the installation style. Depending on the guide picture, we will install the key blank on the machine. And then we click Continue. Input the key biddings on both positions. Click Cut and Continue. It looks perfect. Trying to turn the lock.